Composition versus inheritance represents two different relationships. Composition uses has-a relationships, where objects contain other objects. Inheritance uses is-a relationships, where classes extend other classes. A car has an engine, but a dog is an animal. Different relationships need different solutions. Compositions look like this, where car contains an engine object as a member. Inheritance looks like this, where SportsCar extends car and becomes a specialized type of a car. Both achieve code reuse, but in fundamentally different ways. Composition is more flexible because you can change the engine at runtime, have multiple engines, or share engines between different cars. You can swap implementations easily without affecting the class hierarchy. Inheritance, on the other hand, is more rigid, but naturally expresses hierarchies and shared behavior across related types.